This is Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. This is a pretty significant smartwatch not just for Samsung, but for the overall wearable industry in general. That's because Google and Samsung are now working together. Samsung is generally credited for making the best Android smartwatches. Lack of Google Play Store support has always been a big miss, while that was changed when Samsung launched Galaxy Watch 4. Samsung launched the Galaxy Watch 5 series that runs on the new Wear OS platform, co-developed with Google, making it seamless to access apps on Google Play to bringing users' favorite Google experiences to Galaxy Watches, making Wear OS better for Samsung users, bringing more of the world's most popular media apps to Wear OS this year. You'll see new experiences from SoundCloud and Deezer designed for listening from your watch. You'll be able to leave your phone behind during a workout while keeping the content that matters most close to you. They have recently introduced a new Google Assistant for Galaxy Watches. The new Galaxy Watch 5 comes in 2 sizes and 4 colors: graphite, sapphire, silver, and pink gold. The durability of Galaxy Watch 5 series is equipped with sapphire crystal, the premium material that makes Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 tough. The sapphire crystal glass base is 1.6x stronger to stand the test of the hardest days. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 also has an advanced workout algorithm that helps you track many different workouts. It automatically recognizes many popular activities like running and swimming in just minutes. You can also manually track more than 90 exercises, from intense HIIT workouts to chill yoga flows. It can help you understand your health, putting valuable insights at your fingertips. It has a 13% bigger battery as compared to Galaxy Watch 4. Stay powered up throughout your busiest days with an improved battery and fast charging. You can personalize your watch face from analog to digital, vintage to modern, colorful to chic. Pick from a wide array of new and enhanced watch faces to match your style. Keep fitness data from previous Galaxy watches with Smart Switch. One of the best parts about Galaxy Watch is the sleep tracking technology. It analyzes sleep patterns and helps monitor different stages of sleep, and it even detects snoring and creates a 5-week program with helpful tips and checklists for better sleep habits. The Galaxy Watch 5 has an increased surface area, which makes more contact with your wrist, helping it provide more accurate readings. It also comes with advanced bioactive sensor, which combines 3 sensors into one. Its smaller design delivers enhanced performance. Powered by a single chip, it can track your heart rate, body composition, sleep, and more.